So, back in 2017, Apple engineers made a pivotal decision that would allow the company to bring Apple Intelligence to devices released years later. Speaking on the Circuit podcast, Tim Millett, Apple's Vice President of Platform Architecture, and Tom Boger, Senior Director of Mac and iPad Product Marketing, shed light on how Apple's early strategic planning enabled seamless AI integration into its ecosystem. According to the executives, Apple's team began exploring neural networks in 2017, shortly after foundational research papers on the technology emerged. Neural networks would eventually evolve into transformer networks, the backbone of today's generative AI systems. Recognizing their potential, Apple redesigned its neural engine for the next wave of Apple silicon, culminating in the development of the M1 chip. When the M1 debuted in 2020, powering the MacBook Air, 13-inch MacBook Pro, and Mac Mini, it included capabilities to process neural networks directly on the chip. However, at the time of its release, generative AI applications were not yet mainstream. This proactive design was far ahead of its era, illustrating Apple's commitment to future-proofing its hardware. Millett and Boger highlighted the importance of anticipating technological trends in chip design. With the M1, we had the foresight to identify emerging trends and incorporate them into our silicon, understanding the lengthy timelines involved in development, they explained. This strategic insight has ensured that the M1 remains capable of handling cutting-edge AI features even years after its introduction. At the It's Glow Time event earlier this year, Apple confirmed that Apple Intelligence would be fully compatible with M1 chipsets. This update delivers advanced AI capabilities to devices now 4 years old, showcasing the enduring impact of Apple's decision to build AI readiness into its silicon. While these features are set to launch globally in December, users in the European Union and China will experience delays due to regulatory issues. This strategy underscores the company's dedication to delivering long-term value and staying ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. So what are your thoughts on Apple Intelligence? Share your opinions in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.